So, what is the Article 26 of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Article 26 is the right to be educated. So, what is Article 26? Adopted on December 10, 1948, established education as a fundamental human right. So, what are the rights? Everyone has the right to education. Education should be free, at least elementary stages. Elementary stages education is mandatory for children. Technically and professional education should be widely available. Higher education must be accessible to all based on merit. Purpose of the education: human development. Education should aim for the full development of the human personality. Respect for rights. It should strengthen respect for human rights and fundamental freedoms. Promotion of peace. Education should foster understanding, tolerance, and friendship among all nations and groups, supporting the United Nations peace efforts. Parental rights. Choice of education. Parents have the primary right to choose the type of education for their children. These are the examples where parents can choose what type of education their children will have. So we have K-12 program and alternative learning system or ALS, and government scholarship. The Article 26 underscores the importance of education as a fundamental human right, essential for personal development, social harmony, and promotion of peace.